Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing, and the highlight of the briefing is the wet spell will continue over the parts of northwest India, East India and adjoining northeast India till 26th of May with the peak intensity on today. And another highlight is the progress of southwest monsoon over the Bay of Bengal. And if we look for the observed weather during past 24 hours, then the heavy rainfall was occurred at isolated pockets over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, northern parts of Rajasthan, and south interior Karnataka. And similarly, yesterday the hailstorm activity was reported over the Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northern parts of Rajasthan, northwest Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. And yesterday the thunder squall with the maximum wind of 89 kmph was reported over the Jaipur in the northeast Rajasthan, and the thunder squall of the wind speed of roughly 70 kmph, 60 to 70 kmph was reported over the Chandigarh and Amritsar in the Punjab. And if you look into the yesterday's maximum temperature, then the maximum temperature was in the range of 42 to 43 degrees centigrade over many parts of the East Madhya Pradesh, many parts of the Vidarbha region, some parts of Telangana and some parts of the Chhattisgarh area. However, because of the ongoing rainfall activity over the most parts of the northwest India and East India, maximum temperatures has fallen significantly as we have forecasted earlier, and now the maximum temperatures are in the range of 36 to 39 degrees centigrade over many parts of the northwest India and the East India. However, if we look for the weather, temperature forecast, then there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperature over any part of the country. So there is no possibility of heat wave conditions over most parts of the country during next 5 days. However, the discomfort weather because of the comparatively high temperature and the relatively humid air will continue over the East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha during next 2 days. And these are the today's main synoptic features. So today we have a western disturbance which lies over the Pakistan and adjoining Jammu region in the middle tropospheric levels, and the lower levels acyclonic circulation lies over the North Pakistan adjoining Punjab, and trough which is running from the northwest Uttar Pradesh up to the eastern parts of the Bangladesh across central Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and some parts of the West Bengal. So because of these cyclonic circulations and the trough, the cloud cover can be seen, which are cloud cover are over the most parts of the northwest India, some parts of the northeast India and many parts of the northeast India as well, and the light to moderate rainfall activity over some parts of the central and north, mainly the northeast Uttar Pradesh and northeast Rajasthan are currently going on, and over the south peninsular India and north-south trough which runs from the southeast Madhya Pradesh up to the coastal Karnataka. Because of that, some cloud convection can be seen over the parts of the East India and some parts of the peninsular India. If we look for the weather forecast, if we look for the southwest monsoon, then this blue color line which represents the actual progress, actual position of the southwest monsoon. So as we have seen, the monsoon has entered into the southeast Bay of Bengal, some parts of the Andaman Sea and Nicobar Islands on 19th of May, and now the conditions are becoming favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of South Bay of Bengal, some more parts of the Andaman Sea and over the Andaman Nicobar Islands. And these red color lines are the actual dates for the progress of southwest monsoon over the country. However, tomorrow on the 26th of May, IMD means India Meteorological Department will issue a long range forecast for the southwest monsoon at 12 o'clock in the noon. If we look for the weather forecast for the on 25th and 26th, then on 25th, as we can see, we have issued the orange color warning for the entire northwest India and many parts of the East India, because today the light to moderate rainfall will continue over the many parts of northwest India and some parts of the northeast India. And today the hailstorm activities are also likely over some parts of the Punjab, some parts of the Himachal Pradesh, some parts of the Uttarakhand and some parts of the North Rajasthan. And isolated heavy rainfall activity cannot be ruled out from the Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and North Rajasthan for today. It means today is a possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over the adjoining plains of northwest India and over the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So we have issued the orange color warning for the entire northwest India for today. And over the East India, isolated hailstorm activity is likely mainly over the Sikkim area and some parts of the West Bengal. So we have issued the orange color warning for that area also. In this central India and the south peninsular India, we have given the yellow color warning. It means there will not be any very severe weather for today. And on tomorrow, as we can see, we have given the yellow color warning for the entire North India. It means the weather activity will reduce over the entire North India from tomorrow, the 26th of May. However, some light rainfall activity and some thunderstorm activity, one or two places will continue over the region. Central India adjoining West India will be mainly dry on 26th of May. So because of the hailstorm activity and because of the very thunderstorms and thunder squall and very strong winds, they may damage the horticulture and plantation and standing crops over the parts of northwest India. Hail also may injure the people who are at the open places, and there is also possibility of partial damage to the vulnerable structure, kacha houses, due to the very strong wind and hailstorm activity over the parts of northwest India. So because of that, we basically advise please stay indoor and close windows and door and avoid travel if possible during the hailstorm activity in your area and during the strong wind over your region. And do not take shelters under the trees when any severe weather is going on. And during the lightning activity, please unplug all the electrical appliances and get out of the water bodies immediately. Now, if you look for the weather forecast for the 27th and 28th of May, so as we can see for both the days, we have again given the yellow color warning for the northwest India. It means weather will not be completely dry over the northwest India. However, some light rainfall activity and some thunderstorm activity at one or two places will continue over the northwest India. However, there will not be any significant weather. And as far as the East India, Northeast India, Central India and West India is concerned, there will not be any severe weather on 27th and 28th May also. However, some light rainfall activity will continue over some parts of the peninsular India. On 29th of May, as we can see, again we have given the yellow color warning for the northwest India because a fresh western disturbance which is going to affect northwest India, mainly Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and some parts of North Rajasthan from 29th of May. So again the weather activity will start over the northwest India from 29th of May. However, Central India, East India, Northeast India, maximum parts of the South Peninsular India and West India will not receive any severe weather. Some light rainfall activity will continue over the Karnataka, mainly the South Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, on our YouTube channel. Thank you.